Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create field maps in Excel. So for this, we will consider one data. In first column, we are having the country, and in the second column, it's GDP. We want to represent this thing on the field maps. Select the data, insert, maps, activate the field maps. Done. So on the basis of the GDP, the gradient of the color will be displayed. The dark blue color represents the highest GDP and the light blue color represents the low GDP. You can also change the chart styles from here. One, two, three, and the colors can also be changed from here. Moreover, chart title, about the chart, centered overlay, data labels, show, legend, right, top, left, bottom. So this was all about creating the field maps in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.